To replace the right upper dish rack adjuster assembly in this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Pull out the upper dish rack, then open the front rack stops and fully remove the dish rack. Now insert the small flathead screwdriver into the two slots in the right side rack adjuster assembly to depress the tabs to release the rack adjuster clips. Use the screwdriver to pry the lower tabs outward, then pull the rack adjuster out from the bottom and pull down to fully detach. To install the new upper dish rack adjuster assembly, align the assembly on the rack and snap it into position. Align the rack adjuster clips on the inside of the adjuster and snap them into place. You can now align the upper rack rollers on the rails, slide the rack in, and close the front rack stops.